Welcome to the Cardoc, the premier membership and maintenance program created to maximize your vehicle's performance and resale value and minimize your out-of-pocket service expenses.
The Cardoc program is available with any new, used, leased, or diesel vehicle. So whether you're buying a brand new vehicle or a new-to-you vehicle, the Cardoc program will provide you with membership amenities and peace of mind for miles to come.
So what exactly is Cardoc?
The Cardoc is a comprehensive program covering wear items, recommended and preventative maintenance services performed at manufacturer and vehicle-specific intervals and to your driving habits and everyday car care needs. The Cardoc maintenance benefits cover your vehicle for up to 5 years post-purchase or up to 75,000 miles. The Cardoc membership benefits and amenities can be extended indefinitely. The Cardoc program covers the following maintenance items and more: oil and filter changes, engine air filter replacement, cabin air filter replacement, oil treatments, tire rotations, front and rear brake service, four-wheel alignments, fuel induction service, multi-point inspections, 12% discount on all parts, services, and accessories not included in the Cardoc program, complimentary vehicle history report from Carfax, real-time vehicle appraisals, $500 off the purchase of your new or used car from this dealership, and a free loaner car. All that over $4,000 in value for as little as $25 a month.
Not only does the Cardoc program provide regularly scheduled and manufacturer-recommended maintenance, but it also provides you with the convenience features that provide peace of mind when you need it most.
It's hard to put a cost on peace of mind, but with the convenience and safety services provided as part of the Cardoc program, a $4,035 value, you can breathe a little easier for as little as $25 a month.
Still not convinced that the Cardoc is right for you? Check out the program's value and savings. Remember, the cost of the Cardoc program can be financed with the purchase of your vehicle for as little as $25 per month, making it an exceptional method to balance your budget. This program is just what the doctor ordered. Ask any Cardoc customer care representative for a Cardoc brochure and membership form today.
The Cardoc program covers the following maintenance items and more: oil and filter changes, engine air filter replacement, cabin air filter replacement, oil treatments, tire rotations, front and rear brake service, four-wheel alignments, fuel induction service, multi-point inspections, 12% discount on all parts, services, and accessories not included in the Cardoc program, complimentary vehicle history report from Carfax, real-time vehicle appraisals, $500 off the purchase of your new or used car from this dealership, and more. All that over $4,000 in value for as little as $25 a month. The Cardoc program is extremely comprehensive. In fact, it covers wear items typically omitted by other programs.
Don't forget about the convenience items and membership amenities, shuttle service, 12% off accessory purchases, and all service work not covered by the Cardoc program. So, welcome to the Cardoc, the premier maintenance and membership program designed to provide quality budgeted car care, preventative maintenance, and membership amenities to top-notch customers like you. Now that you've made the decision to maximize your vehicle's performance, ask any Cardoc customer care advocate for more details or for a membership form. Then get ready to simplify your car maintenance and ultimately grow its resale value. You can expect the following from the Cardoc program:
a copy of the detailed Cardoc contract that outlines the Cardoc maintenance program and exclusions, contact information for the Cardoc and its providers, and confirmation of your first Cardoc service appointment. Don't leave the dealership without these items.
Remember, the cost of the Cardoc program can be financed with the purchase of your vehicle for as little as $25 per month.
So you're a proud Cardoc program member. Now what? Redeeming services is as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Be sure to retain a copy of your Cardoc contract and the Cardoc business card, complete with your policy number. These documents are all you need to redeem any of the Cardoc services or amenities. 2. When visiting the dealership, let your service advisor know that you're a Cardoc member. 3. Sit back and smile. You made a great decision and purchase when you added the Cardoc maintenance and membership services.
This program is just what the doctor ordered. Ask any Cardoc customer care representative for a Cardoc brochure and membership form today.